Hi guys, today I was like, do you know what? Haven't been on YouTube for a while. Let me come back and give you guys a makeup tutorial. So here we go. It's gonna be very quick, by the way, very quick, because I'm actually quite tired and tomorrow I have to go to church. Let's go. So I'm gonna start with my eyebrows and I'm gonna tell you guys what I use at the same time because why not? An eyebrow, an eyebrow brush. I don't even know how you call this. By the way, I'm gonna give you guys a tutorial on my skin because my skin is skinning. Do you see my skin skinning? Yeah. I don't want to like press on my eyebrows too much. I want it to look like very natural. Yeah. So yeah, how y'all been? It's been a hot minute. I feel like we haven't spoken in a while. So, let me give you guys a quick update on me. I moved in my new place. It's looking very delicious. Am I gonna do a house tour? I don't know. I live day by day because Jesus gives me my daily bread, so I can only worry about daily things, So yeah, I got a 9 to 5, which I don't hate, which is really funny because I actually thought I would hate it, but I actually like it. So weird. I like my coworkers. I love the workspace, and I love the fact that I can actually work from home. So a win is a win. Do you see the eyebrows in? Yeah. Oh, I said I was going to tell you guys what I was using. It's Too Faced. I love it. Multi-use sculpting concealer in the color, I think, Toffee. Because I'm a sweet girl. I'm actually in a hurry because, as I said, I really want to go to bed. And I asked a friend of mine to come take my pictures. And she was like, I'm tired. I said, but I gotta take pictures. So she's going to come. And I told her I'll be done by 10, right? Oh, I told my camera said something crazy. It's 9:34. I love this picture, by the way, guys. Look at me. Look at me looking at me. So, yeah. I told her, listen, at 10. First, I told her 9:30. But then I took a break to eat. Because I'm a human being, and as a human being, I have to eat. Because I'm a dysfunctional human being when it comes to food. I just sometimes forget to eat. So I remembered. So I went for it. And then it was already 9:30, so I was like, promise you at 10 I'll be done. So I want to be done because I want to be a girl of my word. I want to be a girl that abides to what she says. Chips, I forgot again. BE Creative Makeup, and in the color 9W Deep Warm. I love it. It's actually full coverage, and I've been using this since Ghana, and I still have some inside. I love it, and it's just amazing because I've been using it in Ghana. Whatever survived Ghana's weather in terms of makeup, I love it. Sign me up. So this foundation is from H&M, guys. I just ran into it, and it's like it's like an all-day liquid foundation, long-lasting, medium coverage. I feel like it's full coverage, by the way, and it's in the color Dark Chocolate. It's quite dark, but I like mixing them too. It gives me like a perfect balance. So you blend in. What else has been going on with me right now? I put on some weight. I feel like I should say that because when I was in Ghana, a lot of people were like, oh my god, you lost so much weight. Well, I gained it back. Right now it's a weight I can still control. It's still controllable, so I don't hate it. But do I want to gain more weight? No. So am I gonna be careful about what I eat? No. Am I gonna go to the gym? I should. I did subscribe though. So I am paying. So financially, I am gymming, but physically, we are still under control. So this is also from BE Creative. By the way, I really love this foundation, this brand. I don't even know why. Just like it. This is in the color 7C Dark Cool. I want the makeup to be. I can feel the hair. Yeah. And guys, I actually have the joy of the Lord. It's so amazing because I feel like I've got so much love to give. Yeah. It's giving very settled. I like that. So guys, honestly, like, what's going on? What's going on in your life? Like, what's new? I want to know. Please. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? I see these fine Ghanaian babes on your camera, on your phones, on your televisions, on your screens. Wow, God, you did that. 9 great months of work, hard work. So then I've got this concealer, Ete's eraser. I never realized that it said eraser. Anyways, this concealer, you know, the one with the little, yeah. What shade is this? What shade is this? I can't find the color of it, the shade, so yeah. Just look at my face and think, what shade can it be? What was I even saying? I was asking y'all how y'all doing, but then y'all on the other side of the screen, so I'm not gonna get an answer right now. Yeah. So let me tell you guys how I'm doing. I'm gonna sing praise and worship after this because it's a lot. It's a lot he's done for me. It's a lot he keeps on doing for me. And I'm like, God. Like, relax, but wow. You're doing this all for me. Wow. That's what a mercy of God can do. You would think something is wrong with me. Really and truly, it's like, I've been like that. I've been being like that. You understand? Yeah. Yeah. Woo! On every angle, fine point every angle. I need to relax. So here we've got the L'Oreal, and it's the More Than Concealer. Okay, it's a bit dramatic because it's just a concealer, but yeah. Once again, yeah, that's the color 337 Almond. I just really use it like right under because it's very, very bright. It's very bright. Maybe I was being dramatic, but yeah, it's bright. Relationship wise, I am not dating because I'm waiting on the Lord. Mostly because I don't think I'm like 100% ready for it. Friendship wise, guys, couldn't be better. The people I've got in my life now, they are there being friends. They are there praying with me, they are there praying for me, they are there chilling with me, they are there. I'm about to bake. I'm going to cry because my Laura Mercier has reached the bottom. I have actually finished it. I think I actually finished it in like 1.5 years. But anyways, I'm using the color Translucent Honey. Honestly, I should be speaking French. Depuis j'ai dit j'allais parler français. Je suis vraiment désolée les gars. Pourtant j'essaye. Mais dites-vous, ça fait 2 ans. Ça fait 2 ans que je parle juste anglais. Donc moi j'avais oublié que je parlais français. Mais bon, on est là ensemble. On est là ensemble. Je vais vous mettre les sous-titres. Comme ça, c'est du gagnant-gagnant. C'est plus de travail pour moi, mais ça m'apprendra. Voilà. So for contouring, I use my Morphe palette. I think it's the 3502, something like that. So what I'm gonna do is use, guys, like, I finished it. I finished the life out of it. But yeah, it's still going strong. Most of them fell off. Morphe, they fell off. Why? Fix it. So what we're gonna do is contour a little bit. I don't want it to be like too dramatic because I don't have to. I'm going to contour my nose. Make sure the nose is snatched. What's your year looking like? Like, what are your resolutions? Vos résolutions. Your resolutions. Is that not a word? It's a word, isn't it? So for me, it's like keep on digging, keep on getting closer to God. No discussion, no distraction. Wow. So yeah, basically I just want to like get closer to God, give more love out there, be there for any person that actually needs me. Like, let me say it well, like, you know, I want to be a person of influence. Being an influencer is all cute and that, but I actually want to be a person of influence. I want to draw people, not drag. It's not drag people. They still have a choice. They still have free will. Let's relax. Okay. Here another Too Faced, and this is in the shade Spiced Rum. Excuse me. So this is what it looks like, and that's what I use when I'm taking off the baking part. But yeah, guys, I feel like a lot of people just stop using highlighting. Well, I'm part of them. I still use it. I don't know if it's a problem, but if it's a problem, it's a y'all problem, because it definitely ain't no me problem, because it works for me. I can't even find it. Here it is. Yeah, because all of a sudden I noticed y'all don't use it anymore, and I was like, when did we agree on that? So you know, hello over here, a little bit of sunshine in my life. I don't know where you know what? On this eyeshadow, the new romantic eyeshadow from BOYE, I'm gonna use this one. By the way, that one I broke it. Yeah, we're gonna do like a one base thing. So okay, that was it. I don't really use a face primer or a setting spray. I don't know why. I never had to. So even in Garnered, like I did my makeup, spray some rose water, literally step. So right now I'm just gonna use Keep It Perfect fixing. This is me saying I don't use a fixing spray. Sorry, I ran out of rose water, and I do feel like I need to spray something on my face. Whatever it is, I need to spray something. And because I ran out of rose water, I went to the Kruidvat and I just wanted to buy like the lip Vaseline. Then I saw that and I was like, let me just. I'm not buying it for the sake of it being a fixing spray, because I don't know if it be fixing from Essence. How does the song go again? You don't need no other body. It's quite aggressive, by the way. So would I recommend? Who light is it? Thank you. Anyways, guys, I made it on time. I made it on time. So we're going to thank the Lord for me making it on time. I had 25 minutes to get ready, by the way. But yeah, I just want to say this was it. I hope y'all gonna hear from me soon. You're actually going to, because I actually have to stop being very consistent, and I'm going to, because not being consistent and being lazy is not of the Lord, and because I am of the Lord, I have to be consistent. Yeah. So this was it. I'll see you guys on my next one, and yeah, just let me know what you want me to do next. Maybe take more time doing my makeup, or maybe do something else. But until then, I'll see you on the next picture. Stay blessed. Love y'all. Bye. Can you imagine? No, but can you actually imagine? I'm out here taking my pictures, minding my business, disturbing nobody. Some Karen comes to me, do you live here? And I was like, I live around. And she goes like, yeah, but do you specifically live here? And I was like, no, I live around, I live next door. Then she goes like, it's a private property. And I was like, okay. So yeah, that was it. So I just kept on taking my pictures. And she was just staring at me. Pretty sure she was annoyed, but is that me problem? Not really. So yeah, good night guys. Maybe good day. I don't know what time you're gonna watch this video, but yeah. Good whole day. Love y'all. Bye.